What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with My Investment Journey, and I am back again. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about my third dividend payment with Prospect Capital, ticker symbol PSEC. Dividend investing is a very cool way to make money, and that's what I'm going to be talking to you guys about on this channel. Once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so when it comes to the stock market, I am no stranger to being smacked around. I am actually down a lot right now overall, but that's okay. I'm in it for the long haul, especially in regards to dividend investing. Dividend investing is an easier way that doesn't have that much of a learning curve when it comes to investing in the stock market, and you can kind of get some return on your money pretty quickly, especially if you invest in dividend stocks that pay monthly. There are some stocks that pay quarterly. Most stocks pay quarterly, but there are some that pay monthly. All right, so once again, in this video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about Prospect Capital. So I have my account pulled up with Robinhood right now, and as you can see, for the day, I'm currently down $2,600. Okay, we're not even going to talk about it. I mentioned it in one of my other videos. We're not even going to talk about it. Today wasn't a good day, but that's okay. So I'm going to dive straight to the next tab, which I have pulled up. PSEC, which is Prospect Capital, currently it's trading for $9, right? $9 even. So as you guys can see right now, my overall market value is $12,891.45. I am currently up. My total return is plus 25%, which happens to be $2,637.45. So I'm very happy about that. My average cost per share is $7.16, and I currently own 1,432 shares. And so I'm going to show you guys my most recent dividend payment right now. So I'll scroll down and I'll show you, I'll click on show more real quickly. And then I'll click over here on dividends to kind of show you guys my most recent payment, which was May the 20th. So right here, you guys see that there's a pending payment coming up for June 17th. I haven't gotten that yet, but the most recent one right here is May the 20th. And this is once again my third payment. So the first payment was March 18th, 2020. At that particular time, I had 1,400 shares. So I haven't spent any more money in regards to Prospect Capital. This is it. So I had 1,400 shares, and they're paying 6 cents per share, which gave me a total of $84.04 for my very first dividend payment from PSEC. And then the next dividend payment, which was in April, I had at that time 1,411 shares. They're paying 6 cents again, and the payment was $84.69. So that is an increase of 65 cents from the first month, which was in March. And then my most recent payment right here, as you guys can see, is for $85.33. And I now currently have 1,422 shares. And once again, they're paying 6 cents per share, which gave me a total of 85 cents, $85.33. So this is actually pretty freaking cool because as you guys can see, the dividend payment is growing. Now imagine 2 years out, 5 years out of consistently getting these dividend payments, the payment is going to continue to grow. I mean, it already has, and that's the power of compound interest, or not interest, but compounding in general, right? So when you get your dividend payment, the best thing to do is to reinvest it directly into that stock. Now, luckily for you, if you're using Robinhood, they have something called DRIP, which means Dividend Reinvestment Plan, and that automatically grabs some more shares for you. So all you have to do is enable that on Robinhood, set it and forget it. So once you get your dividend payment, you don't have to freak out. Robinhood is automatically going to purchase some more shares on your behalf. So if I go back real quickly, I can show you guys when it was reinvested. And here we go right here, May 20th. So currently they reinvested, let's see, is that right? No, I'm looking for where they actually reinvested it and gave me more shares. So let me see if I can find that real quickly. Oh, here we go, right above. I missed it. Okay, so May 20th. So you see the dividend payment here for $85.33. And then right above it, May 20th, you see that they took the $85.33, and that allowed me to purchase at the time 10.26 shares, and it was $8.31 per share. Not too bad, seeing that PSEC is currently trading for $9. I go back here and show you guys $9 right here. So it grabbed some more shares at $8.31, and it already has gone up 61 more cents. So that's actually very, very good. Listen, when it comes to investing in the stock market, I don't pretend to be a guru. I will never pretend to be a guru. I'm just here to document my journey and show you what's possible in regards to dividend investing. There's a lot of ways to skin that particular cat, the cat being the stock market and making lots of money. There's ways that you can do it fast, which that learning curve is very, very steep, and I failed very miserably, which is now why I'm doing dividend investing. So I'm never going to try to tell you, hey, you got to grab these stocks right now, get this particular company. Never going to be my advice, but I will share what I'm experiencing and what has been working or not been working for me. All right, that's going to be pretty much it for this video. Once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.